Another morning, another tropical update, and as of 7 a.m. PST, July 3rd, here's Jamaica. I mean, 145 mile per hour, Cat 4 barrel. Most of yesterday was a Cat 5. I mean, really the earliest Cat 5 in recorded history. This thing will make a close call to Jamaica, probably come within 80 miles. Northern Iowa, maybe northern Iowa may skim the southern coast. Probably cause some damage, and you know, just take advice from the NHC because it could get bad. Um, there's a little bit of glare on my monitor, um, but so I'll try my best. Anyway, this system's having about 30 knots of shear through it. Um, and it's starting to get into the core, so it's clearly weakening. Um, Here's the NHC track. That's for 96. Here's the NHC track. Takes it south of Jamaica, then into the Yucatan by early on the morning Friday. Then at a tropical storm in the Bay Campeche early Saturday. Then in northern Mexico by Monday morning, which is in line with the models, as you can see. Some of the models do take it north into Texas, but probably just south of Texas based on the overall trend. Enablers, even so, some of them do take it north, but that's called the survivor base. I mean, most of them take it inland just south of Texas in agreement with these models. So I think most likely south of Texas. Intensity clearly will weaken, probably below Cat 3 in the next 24 to 36 hours as conditions just don't look that favorable. But it's probably still a hurricane for into the Yucatan, maybe Cat 2, maybe re-strengthen into a hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico before making landfall. Anyways, we still got 96. I mean, let's be honest. Let's look at clearly moving into the Leeward Islands. Could still form. It looks like it's a pretty sharp tropical wave. Expect to head west to west northwest in the next few days. Um, Here's the data for it. Yep, expected to head west to west northwest. Probably will be more south since it's going to be a lot weaker, but some of the intensity models do try to make it a tropical storm. So it's still worth watching. Lastly, we got an invest in the Western Pacific. I mean Eastern Pacific. 91L. Expected to head northwestward, then westward. Not really expecting to form. It's pretty weak, but for as shitty as weak as this season is, I mean, it's definitely something to be watching off Mexico. Here's the GFS at 48 hours, 72 hours, and the Vegan Peach. Here's 96, um, 96 hours off northern Mexico. Probably borderline hurricane. I'm aiming for a hurricane. Maybe a depression for 96L. We'll have to see. It's still worth watching. Um, Make a landfall in southern Texas. I still think that's possible, but most likely a little bit to the south. Uh, CMC. Let's go back to 96. Yeah, a little bit south of the GFS. I chose 96 with 1,003 millibars. Icon for 90 hours is, let's go to 108. Definitely a little bit north, maybe into Texas. Ooh, man. The Panthers are still there, but the weaker the system is, the more southward I expect it to be. So maybe it does make it to Texas. Well, that's your tropical update.